Good afternoon, dear students. How are you? Fine. Good. In previous class, are you done your homework? Okay, good. In previous class, what we discussed? What in previous class, what we discussed? That is, we discussed about the second chapter. Is it? What is our second chapter? Polynomial. Is it? Yes, polynomial. Okay. Today we are going to open or start our new lesson and chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. Pair of linear equations in two variables. Equations in two variables. Is it? Yes. Variables. This is our chapter 9, third chapter, pair of linear equations in two variables. Now, can we start? Any doubt in previous chapter? No. Okay. Good. Then, already we studied what we studied. Already studied about pair of linear equations in one way. What is the example? X plus y. Equation means must be a equal sign. Equation means there must be a occupying and equal sign. So what will get? That is, here we didn't know what is the value of x. Here x got what that is x is a variable. Is it? X is a variable and x plus 5 equal to 9. We want to find the value of x. Then x plus 5 equal to 9. X equal to 9 minus 5 and we get 4. Is it? Is it? That is, answer is 4. This is linear equation in one way. When here we get 2x plus y equal to something. And this is linear equation two variables. This is here are two variables occupying. This is an equation because equal sign is included. Then here 2x plus y is called LHS and 10 is called RHS, left hand side and right hand side. Here in your textbook there is a story. That is, just I read. Please listen. Agila went to a fair in her village. She wanted to enjoy rides on the giant wheel and play hopla. That is, hopla game is a game in which you throw a ring on the items kept in a stand, and if the ring covers an object completely, you get it. The number of times she played hopla is half the number of rides she had on the giant wheel. If sentence, if each ride cost 3 and a game of hopla cost Rs 4, how would you find out the number of rides she had and how many times she played hopla, provided she spent Rs 20? That is, first what we consider. That is, here our friend Agila is going to a execution or and he going to a play hopla game and he on giant wheel, is it? Yes. Then what is it? Then the denote the number of rides Agila had by X and the number of times she played Hopla is Y. The giant wheel denoted X and the Hopla playing denoted Y. That is, from our question we can write what we can write from our question or from our story we can write y equal to x by 2. Is it? Is it? That is, we can, and next one is we denote as it is equation 1 or equation number 1, and next is what? 3x plus 4y equal to 20. That is, 20 is the he spent money and he played 3 rounds in giant wheel and 3 times and he played home line 4. That is what we get. What we get? What we get? How we can solve? In previous classes, we already studied the solving method. Is it? Is it? How? Here what we can write? That is, here we can solve. In the place of y, we can put x by 2 because already we told or write y equal to x by 2, that is 3x plus 4x by 2, 4 into x by 2 equal to 20. Is it? That is 3x plus 2x, 4 into x by 2, we can write 2x equal to 20 and 5x equal to 20. X equal to 20 by 5, we can write 4. That is, x equal to 4, then y equal to 4 by 2, we get 2. That is, the solutions is x equal to 4 and y equal to 2. This is, in question, there is, we want just write the equations, we write the equation, this is the linear equations in 2 variables. Here 2 variables are included. This is the equation, so these equations are called linear equations in 2 variables, and commonly we can say ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is a linear equation, and here a and b are not both 0. That is, this is the general formula for 2 variable linear equation in 2 variable. C is constant. For another example, we can write, for more example, 2x plus 3y equal to 5, and we can find 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. We can write, is it? Yes, we can write. That is, what we get here, x. For another examples, we can write x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. For another, x minus 2y equal to 0, and more etc. we can write here. For another example, two x plus 3y equal to 5. 2x plus 3y equal to 5. Here, what is the values of x and y? Can you think? Can you answer? Here, what is the value of x and y? When we take x and y as 1, 2 into 1, plus 3 into 1, we get what? 5. That is, the left side and the right side are equal. Easy. When we take another number, x equal to 1 and y equal to 7, 2 into 1 plus 3 into 7 equal to 5. Is it correct? That is 2 plus 21, 5. 23 not equal to 5. Here LHS and RHS are not equal. So when we take the values of or find the values of or we find the solution, then we can check the solution is looking to left side, then we get right side answer. Is it? Yes. And from this we can say the solution of 2x plus 3y equal to 5. That is solution of this one is x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. That is, from a graphical representation we can intersect the point 1.1. The point 1, 1. The graph means when we write the coordinates 1, 2. For example, 1, 2. Here 1 is representing for x-axis or x coordinate, and 2 is representing the y-axis or y coordinate. And here we can what we can say, that is here when we take a linear equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0 corresponds to a point on the line representing in the equation and vice versa. Is it? Generally we can what say in, or we can say the fact what is in this is true for any linear equation. This is true for here the point is 1 1 for this solution. This is a linear equation in two variables. Its solution is 1 1. That is, we can say in fact that this is true for any linear equation, that is each point x coordinate comma y coordinate of a linear equation in two variables, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0 corresponding to a point on the line representing the equation and vice versa. Is it? And nearby textbook, the page number 30 is some examples are given. Linear equations are in the same two variables x and y, that is they write the example as a1 x plus b1 y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2 x plus b2 x y plus c2 equal to 0. These are the examples of linear equations in two variables. And we are already studied, or in previous classes we already studied what, because study means what, in previous classes the graph is already drawn. When we get a linear equation we can draw a graph. Is it? Yes. That is what is happened in previous notes. What is possibly happen, that is first one is the two lines will intersect at one point. The two lines intersect at one point. That is here when we draw a graph, the two lines intersect at one point. Maybe the line didn't intersect, that is that lines are parallel. That lines are parallel. And what is the next? That is the lines will be coincident. The lines will be coincident. These three types of graphs are we get when in two variables graph. Is it? Yes. And next one is, here is the first example. When two lines is drawn, the intersection is, the line will be intersect at one point. And when we draw another example, the line didn't intersect, that means the lines are parallel. And when the line is coincident, then we get these lines. For example, the first of we can draw the graph. In first section, what we told? We told a story, isn't? That is, what is the story? A girl is going to exhibition and going to make some funny things, is it? Then its graph can be drawn. That is, first is y equal to 1 by 2x, is it? That is our first equation. And we can, what we can write? 2y equal to x, is it? 2y equal to x. And what we next step, what we can write? X minus 2y equal to 0. X minus 2y equal to 0. 2y is going to right side, then the positive is going to negative. Is it? Yes. That is, we can write like this. And second one is 3x plus 4y. From our first 3.1 section, we get the equation 3x plus 4y equal to 2. We know that, but already we know that graph was in previous classes. We already studied that graph was 4 axis. Here is the 0. This is the x axis. Here we write positive coordinates, positive x coordinate, and here we write y axis and positive y coordinate, and here is negative y coordinate, and here is negative x axis coordinate. Is it? For drawing we want to points. So let us take the points. That is, here is the axis, and y is equal to x by 2, and we take the points 0, we get 0. When we take the points 2, x equal to 2, then x by 2 is 1. And another line is part x, and what is the y? Y is equal to 20 minus 3x. What is the equation? 3x plus 4y equal to 20. Is it? Yes. That is, here 20 minus 3x 4 divided by 4. 4 divided by 4. When put the point 0, when put this point 0, we get what? We get 5. Is it? That is, y equal to 20 minus 3x by 4. When x equal to 4, 0, then we get 5. When x equal to 20 by 3, when x equal to 20 by 3, we get what? We get 20 by 3, 0. Is it? Yes. And what is the next point? 4 is equal to 2. When we take x as 4, we get 2. Is it? Yes. That is the. We can start 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. y2. Here is 0, x axis, y axis, x dash, y dash, y dash. And first point is 0, then where is, sorry, 1. Here when take 0, we get 0. Is it? Yes. That is, this is the point our. This is the point. And next is what? 1, 2. 1, 2. That is here. When we take the 3, we get what? We get, or 4, we get 2. Is it? That is 2 get 4. That is the same straight line. Is it? That is a straight line. Is it? And next we can run 0, 5. Is it? Here is 0, 5. And another is 4, 2. That is 4 here, 2 is here. Then we can run like this. That is, we get here what the point we get, the intersection point what we get, 0, 4. That is 4, 2. Is it? 4, 2. That is, here what we get, 4, 2. Intersection. The correct image is in your textbook, page number 42. That is, we get figure 3.2. 3.2. You get the correct visualization. This is not accurate. When you run your notebook, you get the correct answer. Okay. That is, next is for another example. Romana went to a stationery shop and purchased 2 pencils and 3 cases of 3 erasers. 4 hours 9. Her friend Sonali saw the new variety of pencils and erasers with Romana, and she also bought 4 pencils and 6 erasers of the same kind of 4 hours 80 rupees. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. That is, what is Romana? Romana buy what? 2 pencils, and when we just for max we write some equations. So we can write what? 2x plus in varied problem. That is, we write what? Consider the x as the numbers of pencils and y as the numbers of erasers. Romana bought or buy 2 pencils and 3 erasers. So we can write this equation. We do not. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 1. And second is what? Its friend Sonali what? Bought 4 pencils and 6 erasers. 6 erasers. What we get? That is, we get, this is our equations, or this is our algebraic situation, representation of situation algebraically. And what next we want to find the graphical representation. Graphical representation is what? We want to draw graphs. That is, here y is equal to what is y? 9 minus 2x by Is it? Yes. Y is equal to first. Y is equal to 9 minus 2x by 3. And this we put 0. 0 when we put the 0 x we get 3. We get 3. And what is next? What given? When we give next what is 4.5? We get what we get? That is 0. That is answer 0. The next is from the graphical representation for second. We can write from here 6y equal to 18 minus 4x all divided by 6. Y equal to 18 minus 4x by 6. Is it correct? Yes. Is it correct? Yes. That is when we give x as 0, we get answer what we get 3. Is it? When we give 3 and we get what we get, that is 3 into 4 14 12 3 into 4 we get 12. So 18 minus 12 we get 6. 6 by 6 we get 1. For graphical representation we draw the x and y axis. X and y axis, and we can draw points 1 2 3 here 1 2 3 and we can start what here 4x 0 3 0 3 that is 3 and 4.5 here 4 and 4.5 here 5 is midpoint of 4 and 5, then we get the 9. Is it? We get 9. Is it? That is this graph of which one? That is first equation 2x plus 3y equal to 9. And when we take next, that is 0, then we get y is 3. Is it? 3. Then what is the point starting point? This is also starting point, and when we take 3, this is 1. When we take 3, this is 1. That is also what? That is here is the 3 1. Is it? This point is 3 1. And this is also same as the graph. That graph point is what? 4x plus 6y equal to 12. These graphs are same. Is it? Yes. And another example is here. That is what is another example is two rails are represented by the equation x plus 2y minus 4 x plus 2y equal to minus 4 0 and next is what 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. That is we want to this equation is represent this equation is geometrically. We want to represent this equation in geometry. That is for that we want to find here y equal to 4 minus x 2y equal to right? Yes. Then we can take the both. Here x, here y. Then when we put 0, we get 2. We get 2. And when we put 4, we get 0. We get 0. Is it? Is it? Yes. Correct. Are you correct? Is it correct? Yes, correct. Can you follow? Okay. Next step is what? What is next step? Yes, that is right answer. That is here also we take the y equal to 12 minus 2x by 4. Is it? Is it? Yes. That is we can take another one. X, y, and here when we put 0 we get 3. 0 we get 3, and when we take 6 we get 0. We get 0. Can we start graph? Can we complete? Okay, good. And here what is the first equation? 0, 2. That is when we take the point x coordinate as 0, then we can take what? Y coordinate as 2. And next is 4, 0. That is here. We draw the line. And next is 0, 3. 0, 3 is here. And next is 6, 0. That is important. That here we can see the lines are parallel. Is it? That is already they told the railway cross or rail. Is it? Already they told 2 rails. That is rail means they are going parallel. They are going parallel. This is the geometrical representation of this situation. That is, this is equation x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0, and this is representing for 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Minus 12 equal to 0. This is the representation of for geometrical representation for this. And can you understand? Any doubt? Okay, can we conclude our class? Today we are studying what study? That is we studied linear polynomial, linear equations in 2 variables, linear equations in 2 variables, pair of linear equations in 2 variables. That are we discussing some linear pair of polynomial equations and representation of linear equations. Is it? Fine. Can you understand? Any doubt? Okay, let's wind up our class. Thank you.